Hey everyone, I'm just letting you know that we still have our portal open for those of you that are interested in becoming an inbound closer. We're not going to be leaving this open forever. We will be having our team meeting next week. If you are interested in becoming an inbound closer and you want to know what our compensation program is, my plan is to pay everybody every single Friday so that you don't have to wait 30, 60 days and all this kind of stuff to get paid. Also, if you do leave your name and email address after checking out the comp, check your email box because I have emails that are coming your way. And then whenever we have an update for a Zoom call, you want to be notified. So make sure and just check, because sometimes if you have a Gmail or whatever, it might go to a spam folder. We don't want that. So go check it out, authorityattracts.com/sales. See you on the inside. Bye for now.